Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and today we are out at the monthly backup gun match with, today, an FK Brno. This is the polymer-framed budget model in 7.5 FK. So I have both a 10mm and a 7.5 barrel for this, and I was debating which caliber to use in the match today, and I figured, you know what? This exists for the 7.5. Let's go ahead and use 7.5. So I am in Big 5 category. This is the backup gun match, and this isn't exactly a backup gun. So the rules stipulate that all of my magazines can be loaded to no more than 5 rounds. So I have 2 mags, and I'll be running mags of 5. So let's dive into the first stage and see how it goes. FK Brno. It's probably going to be loud.
It's caliber.
7.5 FK Brno. 90 grains or 95 grains at 1,800 feet per second.
Stand by.
And it almost functions. And I'm out.
Unload till clear. Looks clear to me. Is the mag out?
Yep.
Okay. Slide, hammer, holster. We're back.
Wow. Let's see if it runs this time. Ready?
Stand by.
The answer is no. No, it does not. Oh, come on. There we go. Ah!
I see clear. Slide, hammer, bag.
You'd think for $8 a round it would work better.
You would indeed.
Yeah, I'm starting to see why it was such a good deal.
And yet.
It's clear. 20, 99.
Oh, all right. Awesome.
I mean, it did hit that mini-mo with judicious authority. Oh yeah, the ground was...
Here we go again. Let's see if it mouths on the third round again.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
It actually ran. Wow. Neat. That guy's clean. That guy's not. That's 4 points. That one's clean. And one more.
3, down 5.
Ow.
We're down 8.
Yeah, those
Whoops.
first 2 rounds just shoot low.
Yeah, it's a problem with the magazine, I think. One last chance for glory for the 7.5 FK.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
That was slightly less than glorious.
Clear. Slide, hammer, bag.
All right, well, that was less than super impressive and exciting. I don't know how well I did overall, but it's going to be pretty darn poorly. That was a lot of malfunctions. I don't know. Well, I'll go ahead and swap this over to 10mm. We'll do some shooting in 10mm for a follow-up video. Hopefully, it'll run more reliably in 10mm. For once, of course, 10mm will actually be the cheaper, easier ammunition to source in general, and I can definitely see, like, if I'm going to shoot this more at all, 10mm makes more sense than 7.5. So, yeah, not nearly as good as I was hoping for. Hopefully you guys at least enjoyed watching me have to clear malfunctions in 7.5. I think I actually ejected more bullets. More bullets came out the ejection port than out the muzzle, or pretty close to it. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.